Hello everyone, this is Gelvik Tech, and in this tutorial I will show you how to find a factorial of a number. But before we start, do you really know what is factorial? Don't worry, I will tell you first what is factorial exactly. Suppose if I choose one number that is 4, then the factorial of that number is 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1 equals to 24. Okay, I will show you something. Let us see. You have to pause a video and understand this. Basically, what is factorial? Again, take another number. If we choose number 5, then the factorial of that number is 5 is to 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1 equals to 125. Actually, factorial means that the number you want to get factorial has to be multiplied by the number before it until it reaches 1. I will explain this thing to you through an example. First, we created a variable num equals to 4. Now create another variable fact equals to 1. Why we initialize with 1? Because the factorial of a number is always be started from positive integer, and 1 is positive because factorial does not exist for any negative number. Now before finding the factorial of any number, we have to just check the condition of that number, that the number will be positive, negative or 0. For that we can using simply if else statement or if else condition. Using if else, check the number will be positive, negative or 0. If num is less than 0, then the number is negative, and the factorial of negative number does not exist, then simply print a statement is that sorry, factorial of negative number does not exist. Now here we can apply our second condition. So else if, or we can say that if num is equals to 0, this means that if our number is equals to 0, then if you know that, I can tell you, if number is equals to 0, then the factorial of number 0 is always be 1. So simply print a statement factorial of number 0 is 1. Okay. Now here we can apply our last condition for all positive integers, because the negative and 0 number is eliminated, and here's our main program is start now. By using for loop for I in range. Now what is range? Range is a function which accepts two arguments, that is start and end. Now range 1, we start from 1 because 1 is a positive number. That's why we choose 1. The loop is start from now 1. 1 comma num plus 1. We end with num plus 1 because we are not start from 0. That's why num plus 1. Now this is the main formula of factorial. Fact equals to fact multiplied by I. Now understand this. Given value of fact is 1 and loop is also started from 1. So that is fact equal to 1 and I is also 1. So 1 is to 1 equals to 1. So now this 1 is here. 1, and now loop in second position, so 1 is to 2 equals to 2. Again this 2 is now here and loop is now in third position, so 2 is to 3 equals to 6. Again now this 6 is now here 6 and loop is now in fourth position, so 6 is to 4 equals to 24. So this is our answer, because we have to find a factorial of number 4. And now loop will be terminated, then the execution of program is stopped here. Now using print statement, print the answer. Factorial of number, and now pass the variable num, factorial of number, comma num, comma is, and now pass the variable fact which carry the answer. After passing the variable, now run the program, and here is the output of program. Factorial of number 4 is 24. This is only for number 4, but you can choose any number to find a factorial. For that you have to just write int input enter a number. Now you can find the factorial for any number. Now run the program again. Enter a number, now this time 5, and here is the output. Factorial of number 5 is 120. Now run one more time. Enter a number 7, and here is the output of 7 is 5040. I hope you will understand this factorial concept, and this video is really helpful for you. Then like this video and subscribe my channel.